You're never gonna guess what this is. This is, I got it in my mouth. Hello everybody, it's Sienna. Welcome to another unboxing video. So let's get this package open and see what's inside. Carefully. There we go. That was tough to open. Oh! You're never gonna guess what this is. This is, I got it in my mouth. This is Glow by J.LO, and it's a really nice smelling perfume, and I really love the packaging. I mean, look how cute this is. And this, of course, it did not have a tag, but I know that it's from my good friend, PowerAdd. So thank you so much. I really love it, and you know, let me know what you guys think about it. Oh, it's pretty cute, yeah. I really love the scent. Thanks so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and click one of the 2 videos that just popped up on your screen and keep watching. I'll see you guys soon. Take care and stay safe.